SADC chairperson and Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa is traveled to Kenya for crucial discussions with East African Community EAC chairperson President William Ruto as efforts to end the decades-long conflict in Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo DRC gain momentum. Sarambira mashoko kubuda panguva ino vanhu vachizvikweshana vachiti Mnangagwa anokwanisa kuisolva here crisis aiwa yekuCongo. Panguva ino iri subscribe like watomba bell icon. Tipinda munhu zviri mudanyi kwamchinzi. The meeting between the two regional leaders is expected to formalize the appointment of 5 peace facilitators who help steer mediation and dialogue processes in the troubled Eastern DRC region. For years, Eastern DRC has enjoyed relentless violence at the hands of armed groups fighting over land, mining and influence, resulted in humanitarian crisis and regional instability. The joint initiative by Sadc and EAC reflects growing momentum toward a coordinated African-led peace strategy. While the identities of the facilitators are yet to be disclosed, their appointment is seen as a significant step toward building consensus across regional blocs. Mnangagwa's visit underscores the urgency of bridging regional peace efforts. Both Sadc and EAC have previously intervened in the DRC conflict, whether through military deployment or diplomatic pressure. The move comes amid increasing calls from the African Union and the United Nations for unified and homegrown approaches to resolve the crisis. Further announcements are anticipated after the Mnangagwa Ruto meeting. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu za mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, to the bell icon.